Welcome to day 36. Today, we are demystifying something that is absolutely reshaping our digital world: large language models, or LLMs. We've been building up to this moment in the syllabus, so let's just jump right in and decode the future. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with an introduction to LLMs, move into core concepts, and unpack the architecture and workflow. Then, we'll look at real-world applications, pivot over to practice and interview prep, and finally, wrap things up with a summary and next steps.
Okay, let's dive right into Section 1, Introduction to LLMs, Setting the Foundation.
So what actually is a large language model? At its core, an LLM is a highly advanced digital system trained on massive data sets to understand and generate human language. And it goes way beyond basic text processing. It internalizes grammar, context, and complex patterns, allowing it to communicate with, honestly, startling nuance. We're talking about models built on transformer architectures using literally billions of parameters to logically reason through your prompts. Grasping this distinction, that it's not just retrieving data like a search engine, but probabilistically generating it, is the absolute key to unlocking how these models operate.
Moving on to Section 2, Core Concepts, the building blocks.
To truly wrap our heads around these complex models, it really helps to ground them in something familiar. Think of an LLM as an incredibly sophisticated version of your phone's autocomplete. But instead of just guessing the next word based on a few recent texts, it's drawing on a massive web-scale library of human knowledge to predict entire paragraphs, concepts, and logical arguments. We aren't just looking at simple word frequency here. We are looking at deep semantic relationships mapped out in high-dimensional space. By relating these complex neural behaviors back to everyday tools, the underlying architecture kind of suddenly clicks into place.
Next up, Section 3, Architecture and Workflow, the engine room.
Now let's open the hood and see how this engine actually operates. The workflow relies on a beautifully logical three-step process. Step 1 is receive input data, where your raw prompt is broken down into digestible pieces of data called tokens. Then, Step 2, process through architecture. This is where the underlying neural network does the heavy lifting, passing those tokens through multiple attention layers, weighing billions of parameters to find the deep context of your request. And finally, Step 3, generate output, where the model statistically constructs a coherent, highly relevant response, token by token. Visualizing these three distinct phases is absolutely crucial for understanding the mechanics of modern AI.
All right, Section 4, Real-World Applications, LLMs in action.
The crucial point here is how this architecture actively transforms the real world. In education, LLMs are tailoring learning paths in real time. In healthcare, they're parsing mountains of medical literature, sometimes catching potential drug interactions faster than traditional manual databases. Over in finance, they can instantly analyze market sentiment from global news feeds. For e-commerce, they power hyper-smart support systems. And in software, developers are using them to debug complex code and generate boilerplate in seconds. Understanding this workflow makes you a highly adaptable asset, capable of driving value across any of these massive industries.
Let's pivot to Section 5. Practice and interview prep, the proving ground.
There's a really crucial difference in how you build your skills from here. A simple classroom activity provides a safe space to test these core concepts, tweaking prompts and observing outputs without any pressure. But a beginner-friendly mini project, that is where you level up. Whether you are building a simple chatbot or a document summarizer, transitioning from theory to a hands-on application is what truly cements your understanding and prepares you to actually wield the technology. So, I have to ask, are you ready for those tough Viva and placement questions? A hiring manager at a top tech firm isn't just looking for a textbook definition. They want to know you grasp the workflow and the practical applications. Being able to confidently explain the step-by-step architecture and then point directly to its real-world impact is exactly what separates a casual enthusiast from a professional ready to be hired. To help you reach that level of confidence, the syllabus provides a short assessment quiz and a practice assignment right after this explainer. The quiz gives you an immediate feedback loop, while the assignment lets you stretch your mental muscles, locking this knowledge into your long-term memory for when it really counts.
Finally, Section 6, Summary and Next Steps, wrapping up Day 36.
We set out with a clear mission today. We unpacked the core concepts, mastered the three-step workflow architecture, and explored how this technology is fundamentally disrupting 5 massive industries. This sets a phenomenal foundation.
So I'm going to leave you with one final thought. How will you apply today's LLM concepts to your final practice assignment? You have the theory, you understand the engine, and you've seen the real-world impact. The power is literally in your hands now.
Challenge yourself, push the boundaries of what you can build, and stay curious. Thanks for watching.